I was lucky enough to win one of the Go Wild Traveller's Notebook sets in the last Planner Society Online Crop, and I've just received it today. So I'm just going to unbox that and we'll have a look at it together. Here it is. So this is the set that everyone that went to Go Wild received this year. I've just cut through the sticker just because I may want to repurpose the bag and use it to create something. So this is the bag, and what I'll do is just tip everything out. And this is the pocket wide Traveller's Notebook. So we have the leopard print inside with 2 pockets, 4 elastics, and there's the reverse, and just embossed in here it says the Planner Society. And we have a brown elastic to close it. It's cute. Then there are 3 books, which one, two, three. Oh, they have a nice feel on them. Sort of a little bit textured, but smooth. So we have a leopard print, which is my list. The pink marble, which is Hello Beautiful, and a grid pattern. And then we have the floral print, like the Traveller's Notebook cover, and it is the daily layout with must do, to do, personal, can't forget, notes, and this week. And they have the same print on the inside of the book as on the outside of the book. So there are 3 matching books to go with the pocket wide. And then there are 2 little packets of goodies. So we'll look in this packet first. So in this packet we have Be the Best Version of You, Stay Wild, and Wild at Heart. And then there's 2 little mini doilies which are in the patterns of 2 of the papers from the April kit, and some of the die cuts that were in the April's kit, but a smaller version of the die cut. These ones may be the same size, I'm not entirely sure, I'd have to look again at April, but these 3 are definitely smaller than the April one. Sorry, that's out of shot. Okay, there we go. Also in this packet are these pink gemstones, which are adhesive on the reverse of them. So in the second packet there's a pink marble ribbon and a lace ribbon. A good quantity of each one for decorating dashboards. And there's some of the paper flowers, these ones are like the ones in the May kit, these 2 blue ones, and these peach sort of coloured ones. And then these are bigger, larger beige flowers. And there's some gold buttons for decorating, and then the little brads, I assume for putting through the centre of the flower to attach them, perhaps if you don't use glue. And there's also 2 wooden words which are adhesive on the back. So there's beautiful and there's hello. So Christy sent me this out of the goodness of her heart. She sent 20 people that were on the Planner Society Online Crop. She sent 20 of us this kit, which she has also, I believe she's also sold this kit with a few slight changes. But that's fantastic. It's really cute. I like a pocket size traveller's notebook. It's a good practical size for carrying around. So I am thrilled and delighted to have this pocket wide traveller's notebook and to have received all these goodies complimentary. So thank you very much, Christy.